Rich Williams, CEO of Reliability X, and I'm here with the Reliability Sherpa, Mr. Ramesh Gulati. Hi, Ramesh.
Hi, George. Thanks for inviting me.
Awesome. We're going to do another random topic with Ramesh. Why not?
Why not?
I mean, you are the Sherpa, right? So here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Give me.
Stop it here.
All right. So we're going to stop it. So this is, let's see what we're talking about. Delegating responsibility, spending the right time on the right activity. So this is all about time management and how to organize and plan your time out. Well, that's a significant skill for more than just one role within the maintenance organization, right?
Yeah. Again, in this book, I try to share my knowledge, what I went through, how time management, like example here, is important. Because we go to a lot of meetings and we do a lot of reports, and we have to manage our time efficiently. If we don't, we waste a lot of time. So there is in this chapter or this area, what I talk is how to manage your time better. Because also, if you are in the management role, or if you are a supervisor role or team leader role, you may have to do a lot of training, meetings, how to organize meeting, making sure you have agenda right, first thing, and making sure you are getting people's participation, and get somebody have a action items. You assign those action items and people know about it. And then send those things right away so people know it. So again, time management is one of the key things which all of us, whatever role we are playing, we need to do that.
I think that's a huge point, way beyond just maintenance, right? You have all these organizations out there that are saying we're going to be agile,
Yeah,
and they have meeting after meeting, and they're trying to come to consensus
that's right.
because they don't know who has the decision rights in the meeting. There's no defined agenda. People don't know what information they're supposed to bring to the meeting in order for the person with the decision rights to make a good decision. Instead, we're trying to get everyone aligned, and we slow down and we come to a screeching halt, and we have a follow-up meeting and then a follow-up meeting to our follow-up
Right.
meeting. And so time management is not just in the maintenance space, but
It's
generally speaking,
yes.
if we want to be good at agility about making decisions and moving forward, it has to be an orchestrated event.
That's exactly. In fact, that reminds me, back in, if I'm right, around in the 80s, there was big issue about time management, and especially the meetings. And some company put a time meter in the front of conference room. And they knew who are going to there, and they dial total cost of that meeting.
Oh, right.
So they knew this meeting costing
Ching,
meters
ching,
running.
ching.
Change. This way it was telling people how much money they are
Right.
wasting or deploying that money there in that meeting. So this way, hey, message was, let's try to be efficient. Let's
Right.
not waste people's time. If meeting is about 20 minutes, let's do 20 minutes. Let's not assign for whole 1 hour or something.
Right.
So time management is a very important aspect for everyone, whether you are maintenance, operation, or any department.
Yeah.
And we have to interact with everyone. So we have to do those meetings. Those are important to communication. So that's really important. But is we do a good time management.
I couldn't agree more. I think it's one of the major downfalls in not just our industry, but everywhere, that we waste a significant amount of time that is unnecessary. And a lot of it's due to just the organizational discipline of knowing who's, a RACI chart
That's right.
and what your role in the meeting is,
That's
right?
right. That's
You may
right.
not like the
That's
decision.
again great
you don't
point
have to like
about
it.
Racing. Everyone should know what they're responsible, has to do what action.
Yeah.
And where buck stops.
Yeah,
Who's
yeah.
accountable?
Absolutely.
And who should be informed. So that's again another topic.
Yeah, no doubt. But if you want more information on this or any other topic related to maintenance and reliability, there's only one place to go. You either go to Ramesh's book right here or give us some information at ask@reliabilityx.com. Go to our website, www.reliabilityx.com. Anyway, thanks, Ramesh, for your time.
Welcome, sir.
Awesome.